Hi everybody, my name is Nadia Anderson, or the Swag Bag Chick, and I wanted to share with you guys something that I found yesterday while trying to play with Polyvore. Now, last month I saved a video that somebody had posted about how to use Polyvore to upload items from our business, like to create these images, which we can then add into Canva and put our watermarks and put into our Pinterest and into our business pages on Facebook. Unfortunately, when I went into Polyvore, I found that it no longer exists. It seems like it's bought out by another company, and so therefore we can't use it. But I decided to do a search, and I found this website called Fashmates.com, and from my understanding, it's almost the exact same as Polyvore and does pretty much the same thing that it did before. So let me show you what to do here. And I'm going to do a series of videos because this recording website only lets me do short videos. So I'm going to do as much as I can, and then I'll do another 1 or 2 videos to show you how it's going to impact our business. So go to fashmates.com, create your free account, and when you get in, you're going to go up here to create, and you're going to choose create a set. Now I'm showing you the one that I created yesterday, and it's kind of cool. You get to add like the fashion items that you want, and then you can upload your own items from your company and add them into your set. So I'm going to create a small short one just so you guys can see how to do it. So you create a set, and it takes you to your create page, and you just have to search something that you feel like I don't know, something that you want. I figured maybe we could do something summery, something super cute, and it will just add it to your set here. So you can add, it's cute. I kind of don't like that it shows the shoes, but that's okay. Just messing around. See something. You can also search by color too. So you just have to find something super cute. Or, and what I really liked is the lady who did this the first time on Polyvore was like, you can totally pick things, shoes, or that you would never wear, but because like this is fantasy, like you can kind of choose stuff that's super cute, but I could never wear these big old tall heels. How cute are those? And you can even go into jewelry. So I'm like, oh my gosh, how fun is this, just to add all of these different little elements into our pictures. Let's see. Oh, those are cute. It's really big. So you can see how you can kind of mess around and kind of play with it and add things. So let me just show you how to add products from your own business. So let's see. And then just add a beauty piece here. Maybe. Oh, that is really big. Something like that. And okay, so what I did was I went to my collections, no, my items. So you can see these are the items that I used in my last photo, or that I was messing with, but you can upload your own images. So if you have access to your company's products or photographs, or you know somebody who's able to make those photographs with the clear background. Somebody also did that for us here for at least for 31. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a huge help. You can still do it with any photo, but it works best if you have the ones with the clear background. So you just upload. Let me see. So I'm just gonna, well, I've already done that one. So these are some that I've already have on here. And you can just add them in, which I think you can just kind of mess with it and make it super cute and fun. This is obviously like my favorite bag. I love it. And something like that, or you can just add some of your other products. So then what you do with this is when you're finished, you can publish and name it. So I'm just going to publish this one just so I can show you. And we're going to call this one, oh, why did it not let me? Publish. Your shop is, it's giving me an error message. Inactive mode. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, you publish and it gives you an option to, let's see. I saved it to drafts, but sorry guys, I'm still learning this because this is a brand new thing, but I wanted to share because I was so excited at what I did. Okay, so once it was created, I could click this little pink square like this, and it brings up the photograph. So I was able to save my image just the way it was, and then I was able to go into Canva. Okay, so in Canva, I created my image and I added my watermark and I put in a title, and then I also saved it, and I went back into Facebook onto my business page and I created a post on my business page. So sorry. My post on my business page, here you go. What a brilliant way to be functional and stylish this summer. I added the photo, and I didn't realize that when you do that, if you have product, you can actually tag it and add it to your shop. So that was a big eye-opener for me. So I was able to, when I put in the post, it asked me if I wanted to add the products to my shop, which then I was able to see, like right here, I was able to create the bags that they saw in the photo and tell how much they are, whether they're on sale or not, and such and so forth. So that when people come across this post, down here at the bottom, there's a scrolling option that allows them to see the different products and the different prices. And so if they click on it, it actually brings up the pictures of the products. And I don't know why this is only one picture. I had uploaded two views. No, that's just so far. So, and then you can check out on website, and when they click on that, it actually takes them to your, I put in the link directly to order it from my website so that they can just, they can place their order. So, that was in itself a huge thing. I was like, oh, okay. So what I did with this is I shared this post into my customer group. I shared it onto my timeline. And then I didn't stop there. I went into my Pinterest account, and you can see I created a pin for it. And what I did on my pin description, I included the Facebook link back to my business page, and then all the hashtags that go with it. And then I published it or saved it. And I have to say, I'm very impressed with how well it's doing. Just the last time I checked, and I barely did this last night, I was at almost over 200 views. and some clicks, and that's big for me because my shop, I'm just barely starting it, and I only have like 66 subscribers. And my VIP group is only at 180 people. So something is working, and I just hope that if we continue and um, do more of these, then maybe it will help drive people back to our business pages and uh, just rock our businesses. So, ladies, I hope you're having a wonderful June, and let's rock out our July too, okay? We'll see you later. Bye.